In this class we will learn how to modify the appearance of solids created in SolidWorks by applying material, texture and color. We will start with the color application, then open the file shown, made available in this class, and let's go. We have quick access to color settings via the display pane. By clicking on the rectangle shown in the Appearances column, we can select the Appearance option and choose the desired color in the Property Manager. In the first box we have the indication of the selected geometry. By clicking on Remove Appearance, we remove the applied colors or textures. In the Color option, we click on the colors and automatically have the preview showing the applied color. Choose the desired color and confirm the command. Notice now that the rectangle in the display pane shows the applied color. To apply or edit the appearance of the entire solid, we can also right-click on the file name in the Feature Manager. Color and texture settings can be applied to each feature individually. Just click on the feature and on the floating bar choose this option. Open this other piece and we will apply a texture, knowing that some textures will only be available if Photo View is installed and Real View enabled. Photo View has a wide library of textures and materials and Real View can only be enabled on SolidWorks approved video cards. Texture application can be carried out through the task pane. Expanding appearances, we have folders with textures options. We expand the folder Plastic, select Clear Plastic and have some textures displayed. We drag the first texture to the piece and see that the floating bar allows us to choose whether we want to apply it on a face, feature, body or throughout the piece. We apply all over the piece and see that the piece has become transparent. Explore and apply other textures, getting acquainted with this feature. Using this other piece, we will see how to apply material. Note that in the Feature Manager we have a specific icon and guidance that there is no material defined for this part. To apply a material, we right-click on the icon, click on the option Edit Material and a box opens. The SolidWorks Materials folder contains the standard SolidWorks materials and the Custom Materials folder, the materials created by users. We expand the folder SolidWorks Materials and the folder Steel, observing the list of materials. Clicking on one of these materials, in the right panel are displayed properties, appearance, type of standard hack and we can even set it as a favorite. We chose the IC300 for material and click Apply to make the application effective. Note that the material has been applied and the appearance of the part has changed. Then we click on ASTM A36 Steel and apply, noting that this other material has been applied. We apply the material IC1020 and click Close to finish the application of material. See that the Feature Manager icon tells the material applied to the piece. After applying the material, we can check the properties of the part by accessing the menu tools, Evaluate, Mass Properties. Note that we have density, mass, volume, surface area, among other information. We have seen in this class how to apply colors, textures and materials to our models, leaving them with the desired appearance.